What is up, you guys? Welcome to the GCS Euro channel. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Otherwise, let's get into it. So if you're doing this swap, the ABA swap, you'll need clearance for the hood to close. So you'll need to flip this throttle body. Now, there's a couple different ways of doing this, but I am going to do the way that is most common, that I have noticed is most common. I've done this video before. It was on my other Rabbit. This is the Rabbit truck, but we are going to do it the most common way so that everybody knows how this is being done. So as you can see right now, the throttle cable is in its, I guess, the Mark III stock location. This is a Volkswagen Corrado throttle cable. Volkswagens are like puzzle pieces. You could take pieces from all sorts of different Volkswagens and put them all into one. That's why I love Volkswagens. Super easy to work on, super easy to swap. A lot of fun. Anyway, get that out of there. We need to remove this intake manifold so that we can flip the throttle body. Motor's looking pretty bare now. Next thing I will do is remove this throttle body. Next thing we need to remove is this right here. This is what holds your throttle cable. Now I'm going to clean this thing off camera because it's pretty bad. Now that she's all clean, we can start the assembly process of what we need to do to run the throttle body flipped upside down. I'm just kidding, this is a completely different intake manifold. This is just going to be what's temporarily going to be in here for now, until I have time to clean the other one. So I have this intake manifold temporarily on there, just so that, I don't know if you guys can see where we're going with this, but the throttle holder thingamajigger needs to be placed or tapped into the top of this intake manifold right here. So we need to reattach the throttle cable so that we can measure out where we need to drill a hole and tap. Welcome to my workbench, the floor. Now the hole is drilled. We need to find out what thread this is. This is a tap kit that I got from Harbor Freight. It's like 15 bucks, so if you guys don't already have one, I'll suggest getting one of these, as it is pretty cheap and works. So now we have to find what thread this is, and we have basically a template so you can check the threads right here on the back. We have a winner, I think. Should work. This is a 12-24 tap. If it isn't exact, I mean, it should still work to an extent. Look at that. Still seems a little too small, but maybe. Oh my goodness. I think that just might work enough. Just so you know, I'm not kidding you. See those threads in there? Remember guys, clean out your intake manifolds so that no shavings get inside of there. Well, so that no shavings stay inside there and then get sucked up into your valves. Here's the most important part. The moment we've all but waited for. So make sure that this is in a position that you like, where it's tight. And then you tighten that down. Don't get too crazy though, don't want to strip that out. And just like that, got yourself throttle cable in the right position. Okay, you guys, everything's put back together. Everything is secured. Pull all this stuff out. Now we can check and see if everything works. Okay guys, it's getting crazy out here. Let's start this thing up. Make sure everything works. And then let's go inside. Comment down below if the weather is acting really crazy where you live right now, or if it's beautiful. Make me jealous. Let's do this. My truck is out of gas, so and you can hear my beautiful exhaust. Ooh, that's nice. Let's rev it up a little bit. It works. Okay. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's getting a little crazy out here. Holy shish kebabs.